Okay, children, welcome back to 8th class mathematics. So, linear equations in one variable. This is the second chapter as already we started. So, let us continue this chapter. So, in this we are going to find the value of x in these problems. Find x in the following figures. So, here they have given triangles. Okay, triangles are there. Already we know angles are property. Sum of three angles of any triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Any triangle you take 1, 2, 3 angles. Sum of three angles of any triangle is equal to 180 degrees. This is the concept. Based on this concept, we are going to solve the problem. And one more. What is that means here? Exterior angle property. The exterior angle of this is called exterior angle. These are the interior angles. Sum of the three interior angles of any triangle is equal to 180 degrees. And another concept, the exterior angle of a triangle. Suppose this is ABCD. This angle ACD is the exterior angle, outside angle. These are inside angle, inside the triangle, that's the interior angles. Sum of three interior angles of any triangle is equal to 180 degrees. And now it is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. These are the three interior angles. And this is the exterior angle. Angle ACD is the exterior angle. Angle ACD is equal to sum of two interior opposite angle. So here angle ACD is equal to exterior angle. This is the exterior angle. Angle ACD is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. That is angle A plus angle B. Angle A plus angle B. One concept is sum of three angles of any triangle is 180 degrees. And another concept is the exterior angle of any triangle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. So angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. And one more, isosceles triangle. When two sides of a triangle are equal, then the triangle is called as isosceles triangle. When two sides of a triangle two sides of any triangle are equal, then the angles opposite to them are also equal. So for example, ABC is a triangle. Here AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. Then their opposite angles are equal. Angle B is equal to angle C. Based on three properties, we are going to solve the problems on the triangles. So in the linear equations in one variable, this is sum of three interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. And in any triangle, if two sides are equal, then it is isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, when two opposite sides are equal, their opposite angles are equal. AB is equal to AC, then angle B is equal to angle C. Based on these properties, we are going to solve the problems. Let us continue these problems here based on these properties. First one, here angle A is, say this is a B, this is C and this is a D. Angle A is equal to 56 and angle B is equal to X, and ACD is the exterior angle. Exterior angle is 1, 2, 3. As I said now, exterior angle ACD is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. Exterior angle property. 1, 2, 3 are interior angles. Angle ACD is the exterior angle. And exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angle. Angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. Angle ACD is equal to 123 degrees. Angle A is equal to 56 degrees. Angle B is equal to X. Here they ask you to find the value of X. To find the value of X is equal to, when we transform here, as we learned in the previous class, so 56 from this side it becomes minus. So 123 minus 56. 120. So borrow here. 13 minus 6, 7 here. 13 minus 6, 7 here. 1 remains. 11 minus 5, 6 here. So X is equal to 67 degrees. X is equal to 67. Again, if you get out, if this both, if you add this, you will get 123. So 67. X value is what? Here 67. And one more is what? 56. If you add, you will get 123. 6, 7, 13. 6, 5, 11, 1, 12. So 123 degrees. In this way also you can verify. So based on the exterior angle property, we solve the value of X here. Coming to the next problem here. Here they are given three interior angles. Sum of three interior angles of any triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So according to angle sum property of a triangle. According to angle sum property of a triangle, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degrees. So angle P is 45 degrees. Angle Q is 3x plus 16. Angle R is equal to 68 is equal to 180 degrees. So here 3x, keeping 3x as it is. Now we will add these three values. So 45 45, 16 and 68. 8, 6, 14, 5, 19. 1, 6, 7, 7, 1, 8, 8, 4, 12. So 129. So 3x plus 129 is equal to 180 degrees. So 3x is equal to, here we have 180. Now we transform plus 129 to the right side. It becomes 129. So 3x is equal to, so in 180 you have to subtract 129. Borrow 10 minus 9 1. 7 remains, 7 minus 2 5. 1 minus 1 0. So answer is here 51. 180 minus 129 is 51. So now x is equal to, 3 comes here, it comes to the division part. 51 by 3. 3 ones 3, 3 sevens 21. So x is equal to 17 degrees. X is equal to 17 degrees. So here coming to the third problem. Here as I said here, when two sides of a triangle are equal, it is isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, according to the isosceles triangle property, when two sides are equal, angles opposite to them are equal. So here it is given xy is equal to xz. When xy is equal to xz, then opposite angles are equal, which implies angle y is equal to angle z or angle z is equal to angle y. Because when two sides of a triangle are equal, then it is isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, when two sides are equal, angles opposite to them are equal. So angle y is equal to 2x plus 7 is equal to angle z is equal to 45. So now plus 7 transform to the right side becomes negative. 2x is equal to 45 minus 7, which implies 2x is equal to 45 minus 7, 38. That implies x is equal to, when 2 comes to the right side, comes to division part, 38 by 2. 38 by 2, 2 ones, 2 nines, which implies x is equal to 90 degrees. So based on these properties of triangle, we solve this problem. Let us go for one more problem here. This is typical problem. So one more problem is there here. I am going to draw one more problem here. One more, fourth one. This is somewhat different. Say this is the A, B, this is the O, this is C, this is the D, and here these two sides are equal in this triangle, and this is the 3x plus 10, and this is 2x, and these both sides are equal. This is the problem. So now here we have two triangles. Here we have two triangles in one figure. We have two triangles. So let us solve this problem. Here also we are going to find the value of x. In this also we are going to find the value of x here. So as I said, in a triangle, when two sides are equal, angles opposite to them are equal. These two sides are equal, angles opposite to them are equal. So this angle and this angle becomes the same here. When these two sides are equal, these two angles are equal. If this is 3x plus 10, this is also 3x plus 10. So now, if this is 3x plus 10, these two angles are called as vertically opposite angles. Always vertically opposite angles are equal. These both are vertically opposite angles, and these both are vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles are equal. This is 3x plus 10. This is also 3x plus 10. Again here, when these two sides are equal, angles opposite to them are equal. When these two sides are equal, angles opposite to them are equal. This is 3x plus 10. This is also 3x plus 10. Now, in this triangle, below all the three angles, all the three Indian angles, sum of three Indian angles is equal to 180 degrees. So, from this triangle, from triangle OCD, according to angle sum property, angle O plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees. Angle O 3x plus 10. Angle C 2x, angle D again 3x plus 10 is equal to 180 degrees. 180 degrees. So now add the variables here. 3x plus 2x, 5x plus 3x, 8x plus 10 plus 10, 20 is equal to 180 degrees. So 8x is equal to plus 20, transform to the right side. 180 plus 20 becomes minus 20. So 8x is equal to 180 minus 20, 168. Transform to the right side, comes to the division part. That is equal to x is equal to 160 by 8. 8 2 80. So x is equal to 20 degrees. So let us explain once again here. So here they given only 3x plus 10 and 2x here. When two sides are equal, angles opposite to them are equal. This is 3x plus 10, this is also 3x plus 10. When this is 3x plus 10, this is also 3x plus 10, because vertically opposite angles are equal. When this is 3x plus 10, here two sides are equal, angles opposite to them are equal. If this is 3x plus 10, this is also 3x plus 10. Now in triangle OCD, we got three Indian angles, sum is equal to 180 degrees. OCD, angle O plus angle C plus angle D is equal equal to 180 degrees. After adding these three, we have to equate to 180. Then by solving x value, we get to x value is equal to 20 degrees. Okay, student. So here now we are going to another topic here, very important topic, reducing equations to simpler form or equations reducible to linear form. Before we solve the problems like 2x plus 5 is equal to 7. It is the simplest form. It is the simplest form here. Linear equation in one variable, it is the simpler form or simplest form here. But here it is the fraction form. So now we will reducing equation. This is also equation which contains is equal to reducing equations to simplest form. In this form we will equate in this form. We will simplify in this form and then we will solve. Or you can say equations reducible to linear form. Equations reducible to linear form. So now we will convert into simpler form or linear form. Later we will solve the problem here. So here it is given as a fraction n by 5 minus 5 by 7 is equal to 2 by 3. Here asked to solve the following equation. Always solve means you have to find the value of the variable here. Here the variable is what here? N. So we are going to find the value of n here. So here it is given as a fraction. So now first of all I will transform this minus 5 by 7 to the right side. That is n by 5 is equal to 2 by 3. When minus 5 by 7 comes to the right side, it becomes plus 5 by 7. Plus 5 by 7. So now here n by 5 is equal to, now we have to take the LCM here. 3 and 7 LCM is what? 21. Because both are prime numbers. Or if you don't know, you can do the prime factorization. 3 ones 7, again 7 ones. So here the LCM of 3 and 7 is, here we are adding the fraction. So we have to take the LCM. 3 and 7 LCM is 21. The product is the LCM. When the product is the LCM, we have to do cross multiplication. 2 into 7 is equal to 14 and 3 into 5 is equal to 15. So here we got n by 5 is equal to 14 plus 15, 29. 14 plus 15 is equal to 29 by 21. Now we will transform 5 to the right side. Right? When it is in the division part, when it comes here, it comes as a product here. So n is equal to 29 by 21. 29 by 21. 7 to 14, 3, 5, 16. Okay, 29 by 21. So n is equal to 29 by 21. When 5 comes here, it comes the product here into 5. So n is equal to 5 9s 45. 5 2s 10, 10 4 to 14. 14 by 21. So if you want to convert here, you can convert here. So it is not visible exactly, it is not visible here. So we can't simplify further, or if you want to convert into decimal, you can convert into decimal. Therefore, n value is equal to 145 by 21. 145 by 21. Or in another way also you can do this problem here. So to convert into the simplest form, then what we will do here? In LHS we will take the LCM. 5 and 7 LCM is 35 because both are prime numbers. When the product is the LCM, do cross multiplication. n into 7, 7n. 5 into 5 is equal to 25. Is equal to 2 by 3. So now here we have to do cross multiplication here. So 3 into 7n minus 25, 35 into 2. So 3 into 7n minus 25 is equal to 3 into 30, 35 into 2, 70. 35 into 2, 70. So 3 into 7, 21n. 3 into 25, 75 is equal to 70. Is equal to 70 here. So now it is the simplest form. Now we reduce this one into reducing equation into the simplest form, or equations reducible to linear form. Now it is in the linear form. So this is another way. Now minus 75 transform to the right side. 21n is equal to, already we have here 70. Minus 75 on this side plus 75. So 21n. 21n is equal to 70 plus 75. 145. Now product comes to the division part when transform to the right side. N is equal to 145 by 21. Here further we can't simplify. The answer is what? 145 by 21. Previous answer also 145 by 21.